Hi guys, it's Oli back at it again with another video. So guys, in today's video I'm about to share with you all my simple nighttime skincare routine. Yes, my simple nighttime exfoliating skincare routine. I been making a lot of mistake exfoliating my skin the wrong way, and then I said to myself, Oli, why not study your skin and then know what your skin love, know the ingredients, know the mistake, know what you need to dish out and what you need to bring in into your routine. And then I said to myself, Olive, keep it simple. Yet I'm keeping it simple in this 2025. Welcome to 2025, guys. Now you're watching my video. You've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to turn on that notification bell so you do not miss any other video I'll be uploading. Okay, now let's just get right into the video. You all know that when you're exfoliating your skin, you need to exfoliate your skin on a dry skin. Just like my face right now. My face is super dry, like so dry, and I like that. Yes, it's dry. I just finished cleansing my face with my favorite cleanser, and the exfoliating toner that I'll be using tonight is this BHA 2% gentle exfoliating toner. Yes, this is 2% gentle exfoliating toner. Now this is what I'm using on my skin. Like, I've been using it since last year 2024, and this is where the bottle, I don't know if I'm even using this. Yes, I'm using it because I use it 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week. Yes, I use my exfoliating toner 2 times in a week. And because I have an oily, acne prone skin, this I need a salicylic acid toner in my routine. Yes, something that will get rid, like something that will help to control the excess sebum on my face. That's why I'm using this annual. This is something that will help me to get rid of that dirt on my face, and this one gets the job done. Like, it gets the job done. I use it on my skin. Let's do what I'm supposed to do on my skin tonight. Now, I prefer to use my hand to exfoliate. Sometimes I use my cotton pad, but tonight I think I'll be using my hands to just do it. So what I do is to focus on the area where I produce excess sebum. Now I'm done applying the toner on my face. I will just leave it for some minutes before I'm moving into the next product. Now, while I wait for the toner do its job. I will tell you the reason why I did not apply here, here and here. So here is too sensitive, yes, so I don't need to apply that exfoliating toner around my eyeball area, here, and then my lips area. I avoid those places because they are not needed. Yes, all I'm doing is just to treat my skin and nothing more. Now, the mistake I made in the past was using my exfoliating toner too aggressive on my face, because I feel like, oh, when I'm, you know, when I'm rough, like when I'm just swiping my, like, I don't know, being too rough on my skin, the product is working. No, baby girl, you don't need to be rough while using all these things, whether your hair care products, your skincare products, anything. You don't need to be hard on your skin. Yes, so when you're washing your face, you don't need to just like now that I'm exfoliating my face, watch this video, I was just dabbing it in. From here, I was just dabbing it in because I don't want to damage my skin barrier. Because if I damage my skin barrier, I will not be using any exfoliating toner, because I'll be using you know, product that has ceramide in it that will just help to heal my skin and all that. So I don't need to damage my skin barrier. And also that's why I use my exfoliating toner 2 times in a week. Yes, 2 times in a week. Sometimes I change it, maybe it can be Tuesday and Saturday depending on my mood, but I just make sure that I use it 2 times in a week. Now this toner has sit in properly. On a normal day, yeah, before I will use my essence, but lately I don't just feel like using this essence on my face. I just said in earlier in this video that I want to keep it simple. Yes, I want to keep it simple. The next thing I'll be using on my skin is my moisturizer. Why am I using moisturizer on my face? Because I want to seal up everything that I've just treated on my skin. Moisturizer will help to seal up everything for me. Yes, guys, I'm always happy when I'm doing my skincare. Like, that's the time I get to relax and do what I love. Just apply this moisturizer together because I don't want to do it alone. Done applying my moisturizer, and I would like to say something to you guys before I get to the end of this video. If you are watching my video right now, you can see how simple my exfoliating nighttime routine is. Just my cleanser, my exfoliating toner on a dry skin, and then my moisturizer. I was not aggressive on my skin. Yes, I was not aggressive on my skin. So decide this 2025 that you'll be keeping your routine simple, because by the time you are watching all the videos on the internet, you'll be like, let me try this, let me try this, let me try this, and at the end of the day, everything you bought will not be working for you. So always make your research before you use any new thing on your skin, so you don't regret. Because me, I don't like I don't like you guys to just waste your money. Don't waste your money on things that you regret later. Yes. Now this routine is super simple and affordable. Yes, it's simple and affordable. Tell me guys how your routine looks like, how your exfoliating routine looks like in the comment section. Let's have a chat over there, and do not forget to share my video, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Thank you guys. See you guys on the next one.